Para sad nako ang negative belief system is mo ni siya ang mga beliefs na to sa tong self gani na dili na to mabantayan. It kind of works below the our own conscious awareness, and it's becoming a habit, or like it's autonomous na ba, and it influences emotions, decisions, and ato ang relationship, ang ato ang how we perceive our environment, and how we decide what to focus on and what not to focus on. And it
Mo siya kanang na ay life of its own.
It actually does. Murag yun siya og na ay life on its own. Kay it basically takes control of how you react, how you relate to the outside world. Like for example, you have this negative belief system that I am not good enough. So it will also affect how you work, really, or how you take on challenges, because you have that belief nga kana bitaw ay dili ni nako kaya, or I will not always be good enough. You will not push yourself to perform as you should, or you would not believe yourself that you would be able to do it, because some thoughts, intrusive thoughts nga you're not good enough, you're unworthy, you'll always fail, naa magud na siya, automatic siya ba